Hello guys, AD back here. Welcome to Sound Study. So guys, today we are going to discuss about what is stress and strain. So firstly, we are going to know what is strength of material. Strength of material is a subject in the engineering which is also known as SOM in short form. Strength of material which is a subject which deals with study of the various types of material and the loads acting on that material and their sustainability. So today we are going to discuss the basic concept in strength of material, that is stress and strain. So first, what is stress and strain? So stress. So, here definition of the stress is given. It is the internal resistance to deformation of a body called as a stress. So what is meant? Consider here a steel piece or plastic piece, steel piece or body or plastic piece or body. So if we pull that body from both sides, then we feel that we feel that it contains some energy inside it which resists to change their dimension, that is size, and change their shape. That is nothing but internal resistance, that is it contains internal power which resists its deformation. Deformation means change in size and shape is nothing but deformation. Whenever we pull any body, then it changes size and shape. Consider a plastic toy. We pull or apply force on the toy, then it changes shape and size. That is nothing but deformation. So what it says, it is the internal resistance to deformation of body. Means what? If you pull that body, it resists it from the deformation. That is, it resists from changing the size and shape. That resistance force is nothing but stress. So how we define it? It is the internal resistance to deformation of a body is nothing but stress. So we are going now from for strain, and I am also given a tip that that question is very important in the interview. So next is strain. So what is strain? It is nothing but the mathematical ratio of change in dimension of a body to the original dimension. Consider here a body, and if you pull that body, after pulling the body by large force, it becomes like that. It increase in its length and change in shape. So here the length is different and here the length is different of a body. So what strain says, when we put the ratio of when we put the ratio of its change the dimension, change the length to the original length, then it becomes strain. So strain is nothing but it is the ratio of change the dimension of a body to its original dimension is called as a strain. What is strain? Strain is a ratio of change in dimension of a body to original dimension. When we apply the force on the body, then it becomes like that, means it change in size and shape. When we put the ratio of change the dimension of a body to the original dimension, then it becomes strain. So what is say? First is a stress. Stress is nothing but internal resistance force to the deformation. What is strain? Strain is nothing but it is a ratio of change the dimension to the original dimension of the body. Hope you clear all concept. Thank you guys. If you have any doubt, ask in comment and like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.